Okay, today we are going to start with aloes socotina. Aloes, if you are going to look and understand about this remedy, many of your seniors has been told you about this remedy. Basically used for hemorrhoids and piles and diarrhea. Okay, this is an excellent remedy to aid in re-establishing the physiological equilibrium after merge dosing. I don't know how many of you have learned about the complex diseases and drug-induced diseases or artificial diseases, as it is really very your startup process. Okay, but this is excellent remedy for remedy to aid in re-establishing physiological equilibrium after merge dosing. It means if patient is on a drugs, okay, on a certain allopathic drugs or certain homeopathic drugs or any other drugs, patient is continuous on certain drugs and it leads to other drug induced symptoms. Okay, and this remedy has been used for re-establishing, it has been used for re-establishing, means what has been disturbed, that physiological equilibrium, to maintain that physiological equilibrium, to acquire that physiological equilibrium again after much dosing, this remedy has been used. Okay, understand it? Are you getting it, guys, or should I repeat? Are you getting me? Hello? Yes. Okay. So equilibrium after merge, physiological equilibrium after merge dosing, where disease and drug symptoms are merge mixed. Okay. As I told you, if you are going to look towards the patient, there are disease symptoms also, there are drug symptoms also, and they get mixed. Okay. So there is a complex disease get formed, and in such cases, this remedy will lead to a lot of magical results. There is no remedy richer in symptoms of portal congestions and none that has given better clinical result, both of the primary pathological condition and secondary phenomena. This is the remedy, this is the single important remedy for portal congestion. Okay, portal congestion. So it has been said that there is no remedy richer in a symptom of portal congestion. There are lot of symptom of a portal congestion in this remedy, and none that has given better clinical result. In patients of portal congestion, the patients are having symptoms of a portal congestion had given greatest clinical result with this aloes, that is aloes socotina. Okay, both of the primary and pathological conditions, both it can be primary pathological condition or secondary phenomenon. There are bad effects from sedentary life or habits. Bad effects from sedentary lives or habits, again remedy is bad effects from sedentary lifestyle or sedentary habits. Next remedy, can you tell me other than aloes socotina? Can you tell me any other remedy for bad effects from sedentary life or habits? Are you listening me? Hello. Yes, that is Naxomika. Okay, there are bad effects from sedentary lifestyle or habit, especially suited to lymphatic and hypochondriac patients. Okay, if you are going to look towards or understand this patients, okay, hypochondriac means the patients who are really very anxious. Okay, uh, really very anxious, and patients is having some lymphatic problems. Okay, so this is specially suited to lymphatic and hypochondrial patients. The rectal hypochondriacal patients, the rectal symptoms are usually determined the choice. Okay, many a time rectum symptoms, rectal complaints, as I told you in very first line, rectal symptoms and rectal complaints are really very important part of this remedy. Rectum symptoms gives you the idea of for a choice, or gives you the choice, gives you the way to a choice for this remedy. On basis of rectum symptoms, you choose this remedy as a similimum. So the rectal symptoms usually determine the choice. Adapted to vary people, the aged, phlegmatic means relaxed and very very calm and old beer drinkers. Okay, they dissatisfied and angry about himself. They are really very dissatisfied and they become angry about themselves, alternating with lumbago. This typical mental symptoms get alternates with lumbago, means backache. Okay, heat internally and externally. Heat you will get internally also, externally also. Has been used fully, has been used successfully in the treatment of consumption by giving in pure juices. Okay, if you are going to understand about the heat or lumbago or mental symptoms, this treatment has been used in many a time by given in a pure juice form. Okay, headache alternates with lumbago with intestinal and uterine affections. Headache is really very important. It get alternate with lumbago, backache with intestinal and uterine affection. There is disinclination to mental labor. Okay, there is disinclination to mental labor. This patient really don't want to do any mental efforts. Okay, they really don't want to take any efforts on their brain. Aches above the forehead. These patients have headache above the forehead with heaviness in the eye. Must partially close them. Okay, there is lot of heaviness in the eyes. This patient really need to close their eyes partially, not fully close. Okay, partially close those eyes, and there is lot of heaviness and there is headache especially in the forehead, above forehead. Okay, and headache after stool. If patient pass stool, there is headache. Okay, there is dull pressive pains worse from head. Okay, there is dullness, there is pressive pain. If patient is try to press that head. Okay, and it get worse from the heat. I compelled to make small during pain in forehead. Okay, as told you in a above matter, that above head complaints, that they try to close eyes partially. Okay, so in eye complaint it has been written that they have compelled to make small, they will try to make small their eyes during pain in the forehead. Okay, there is flickering before the eyes. Patient feels something before the eyes, flickering, some lights before the eyes. Redness of the eyes with yellow vision. They said there is a yellow vision, there is redness of the eyes. Okay, there is pain in deep in orbits. Okay, there is pain in deep in orbit face. There is mark redness of the lips. If you are going to look towards the lips, there is a mark redness. Ears cracking when chewing. A patient try to chew something, patient try to swallow something, at that time patient feel cracking sensation in the ear, sensation of explosion and clashing in the left ear. Okay, there is sudden sensation, there is sudden explosion and clashing in left ear, and it will lead to some pain. There is tickling as if some thin shivered metallic globe in the head. Such sensations are there in ear. Okay, tickling as if some thin shivered and metallic globe in the head. A patient will feel such sensation in the ears. Nose, there is coldness of tip of nose, bleeding in morning on awakening and full of crust. Okay, if there is coldness of tip of nose and bleeding in morning on awakening. If patient get awakened in morning and if patient want to wash his face, at that time a patient will get bleeding. Okay, such symptoms are also you are going to get in your um, ammonium. Okay, uh, ammonium carb, if I'm not wrong. Okay, then there is lot of bleeding in morning on awakening, and there is full of crust. The nose become full of crust. There is lot of crust particles of mucus, which leads to bleeding again. Okay, mouth taste bitter and sour, tasteless eruptions are there. Lip are cracked and dry. Throat, thick lumps of tough mucus. Varicose conditions of veins in pharynx, dry scrappy feeling. Try to understand these things. Huh? Mouth taste is bitter and sour taste in the mouth or bitter taste in the mouth. Patient try to tell you that I feel everything is bitter and sour. Okay, tasteless erections. Patient feel that tasteless irritations, and it leads to lot of irritations, and patient really feel embarrassed about it. There is lips become cracked and dry, which is remedy for cracked of lip in a middle area, which is remedy for crack of lower lip in a middle area. Yes, that is natramure. For throat there is a thick lump of the tough mucus. There is thick lumps of a tough mucus. Again, thick, lumpy, tough discharges. You can think about Kali group also. But in aloes there is also aloes. You will get that thick, tough, lumpy mucus. Okay, varicose condition of veins in pharynx. It has been said that varicose condition of veins in pharynx. Frankly speaking, I have never seen a case of varicose condition of veins in the pharynx. Okay, there is dry, scrappy feeling, stomach, aversion to meat. This patient really have aversion to meat and longing for a juicy things. It means they like or they desire for a juicy things, but they have tremendous aversion towards the meat. They really don't want to take any meat in any form, but they like juicy things. Okay, after eating, flatulence, pulsation in the rectum, and sexual irritations also. Okay, after eating, these patients have flatulence, pulsation in rectum, and sexual irritations. There is nausea with headache. Okay, there is lot of nausea with headache, pain in pit when making false step. Okay, there is pain in pit when making false step. Abdomen, pain around the navel. Abdomen is really very important part of your allochocorotina, because you have seen in very first slide that we are talking about the pathological phenomena of allochocorotina. It has been used in a complex disease process where uh, drug induced diseases are seen and natural diseases is there, and together they made some complex diseases, and there is lot of symptoms related to portal congestion, or there is portal hypertension. But there were also written slide. In that slide a line was written that rectal symptoms gives a choice of this remedy. Okay, so abdominal symptom, rectal symptom or abdominal symptom gives idea about allosocotina, how it has been used. Okay, so abdomen, there is pain around the navel, there is lot of pain around the navel which gets worse on pressure. Okay, there is fullness in region of a liver, pain under the right rib, pain under the right rib. Okay, uh, right ribs there is lot of pain and fullness in a region of a liver. Try to understand the area and region of the liver. Okay, abdomen feels full, heavy, hot and bloated. Abdomen feel full, heavy, hot and bloated. Pulsating pain around the navel, weak feeling. There is lot of weak feeling in the abdomen, as if diarrhea would come on. Patient feel that diarrhea would come on. Great accumulation of a flatus pressing downward, causing distress in lower bowels. Try to get that feeling. A patient have great accumulation of the flatus which get pressed downwards, causing lot of distress in a lower bowels. Sensation of plug between symphysis pubis and os coccygeus. Okay, so there is sensation of plug in between symphysis pubis and os coccygeus with urging to stool, colic before and during stool, burning and copious flatus. Okay, there is burning and copious flatus, and and there is great accumulation of the flatus which get pressed downwards, which causes distress on a lower abdomen, and there is weak feeling as if diarrhea would come on. Okay, there is a lot of weak feeling with fullness, heaviness, hot and bloated abdomen. Okay, there is burning, copious flatus, colic before and during stool, and there is burning and copious flatus. Now rectum, there is constant bearing down in rectum. Now talking about bearing down, sepia is again a remedy for a bearing down symptoms. Okay, bearing down complaints. Yes. Okay. There is constant bearing down symptoms. We had talked about burning, copious flatus rectum. There is constant bearing down in the rectum, bearing down feeling. Something has been come down from the rectum. There is bleeding, sore, hot, sore, hot feeling in the rectum, which get relieved by cold water. Try to understand this feeling and then understand it why this remedy has been used for your hemorrhoids. Okay, alosocotina is really a great remedy for your hemorrhoids. There is bleeding, sore, hot, and which get relieved by cold water. Feeling of weakness and loss of power of sphincter ani. These patients have feeling of weakness and loss of power of sphincter ani. Sense of insecurity in rectum when passing flatus. Okay, this patient have sense of insecurity that I am passing flatus, but I don't know I am passing stool with it. Okay, such sensation of such sense of insecurity in them in rectum when passing flatus. Uncertain whether the gas or stool will come. Okay, they are really uncertain whether the gas come or whether the stools will come. Stool passes without effort, almost unnoticed. This is how diarrhea is come up about the allos. Huh? Stool passes without efforts, without any effort stool get passes, almost unnoticed, and lumpy watery stools are there. Okay, there is lumpy and watery stool, jelly like stool with soreness in rectum after stool. There is jelly like stool. Try to understand about the jelly like stool with soreness in the rectum after stool, with lot of pain and lot of soreness in the rectum after stool, a lot of mucus with pain in rectum after stool, lot of mucus passes after stools. Okay, lot of pain in rectum after stool. Hemorrhoids protruded like grape. Okay, grape like hemorrhoids are there. Hemorrhoids protruded like grapes, very sore and tender. You cannot touch those parts. Okay, it really lead to a pain, very sore and tender. Better by cold water application. When patient go in a washrooms, patient really apply cold water to get better because of that pain, as there is a burning in anus and rectum. Constipation with heavy pressure in lower part of abdomen. There is diarrhea from beer. Okay, diarrhea from beer. Urinary complaints, urinary incontinence in aged people. Incontinence, patient cannot control the urine. Okay, in aged, in old age people, bearing down sensation and enlarged prostate. Patient feel that something will come down from my urethra, and there is enlargement of prostate, especially in old age people. Okay, there is scanty and high colored urine, yellowish colored urine and scanty urine. Female, burning down in rectum, worse on standing during menses. Bearing down in rectum, patient feel that bearing down sensation means something will come out through vagina or rectum or urethra. Okay, worse on standing, patient get worse on standing. During menses, and uterus feel heavy, cannot walk much on that account. Okay, uterus feel heavy, cannot walk much on that account. Patient really cannot walk a lot. Okay, patient don't have that condition that she cannot really walk a lot. Okay, and labor like pains in the loins. There is lot of pain, labor like pain in the loins, extended down the legs. Okay, lot of pain in the loins. You understand loins and groin region. Okay, I think I had told you about renal calculi, and at that time I was telling you about the loin and groin region. Okay, this labor like pain get extended down to our legs. Climacteric hemorrhages. Climacteric means menopausal hemorrhages, menses too early and too profuse. Respiratory, winter's cough with itching, difficult respiration. These people have difficult respiration with stitches from liver to chest. Okay, now there is winter cough with itching, difficult respiration with stitches from liver to chest. Okay, stitching pain from liver to chest, and cough especially seen in winter climate, and with itching in throat, difficult respiration. This patient cannot respire very easily. Okay, there is breathing difficulty. You can say back, pain in small of back, worse on moving, stitches through sacrum, lumbago, alternating with headache and piles, extremities, lameness in all limbs, drawing pain in the joints, soles, pain when walking. Modalities, it get worse in early morning, summer, heat, in hot, dry weather, after eating or drinking, better from cold or open air. Okay, so it get worse early in morning, in summer, in heat, hot, dry weather, after eating or drinking, better from cold and open air. Um, so this is all about allosocotina. Can I revise it? Can I revise it? Okay. Okay. So we are talking about allosocotina. It is an excellent remedy to aid in re-establishing physiological equilibrium after merge dosing, where disease and drug symptoms are much mixed. I told you in very early slide that complex disease get formed. Okay, because of disease symptoms, as disease is there, patient has been given some treatment and patient has been taken some treatment, and because of that drug symptoms are again coming up, and there is formation of much complex diseases. Okay, and which leads to lot of problem, and there is formation of complex diseases. You cannot understand what is drug symptoms and what is disease symptoms. Okay, and this when such condition come up in the picture, allosocotina gives that physiological equilibrium. Okay, allosocotina will gives rise to that complete complete relaxation of that process. Okay, and which will lead to a very cure the patient very easily. Okay, there is no remedy richer in symptoms of portal congestion, and none that has given better clinical result both for the primary pathological condition and secondary phenomenon. Okay, it has been said that primary pathological condition and secondary phenomenon for both where portal congestion is there or symptom of a portal hypertension and portal congestion, no other remedy than olosocotina can clear such cases. Okay, there is bad effect from sedentary lifestyle or sedentary habits. Someone told me about sedentary lifestyle or sedentary habits. Nux vomica is another remedy for such cases. Okay, this is specially suitable for lymphatic and hypochondriacal patients, specially suitable for patients who are having anxiety issues. Okay, this patient uh, and the rectal symptoms usually determine the choice. Many a time rectal symptoms gives you the idea about this remedy. Okay, because many a time there are so many symptoms about complex diseases and portal hypertension, but portal congestion, but you never think about allosocotina. But when rectum symptoms are seen in the picture, then you will firstly think about the allosocotina. Okay, so this is really great remedy for rectal symptoms. In that specifically you are going to get about hemorrhoids, burning, and diarrhea. Okay, then this is adapted to vary people of the aged, phlegmatic, old beer drinkers. This remedy basically adapted to vary people, the aged, the old age people, phlegmatic, very relaxed, and old beer drinkers. They are dissatisfied and angry about himself. These people are really very dissatisfied and angry about themselves, alternating with lumbago. This specific symptom, there is dissatisfaction and anger about himself. This get alternate with lumbago, alternate with backache. Okay, there is heat internally and externally, has been used successfully in the treatment of consumption by giving the pure juices. Okay, this sensation of heat internally and externally, it has been used successfully in the treatment of consumption by giving in pure juices. Then head, there is headache alternates with lumbago with intestinal and uterine affections. Intestinal affections, uterine affections are seen in this remedy, and there is disinclination to mental labor. This patient really don't want to do any mental efforts, don't want to take any mental efforts. They really don't want to do any mental labor. Okay, there is aches above the forehead, headache above the forehead with heaviness in the eye, and they must partially close them. These people have headache in the eyes, especially above the forehead, and they want to close their eye partially so that it will relieve their headache. Headache after stool, dull, oppressive pain, it get worse from the heat. Eyes, they compelled to make small during pain in the forehead, as I told you in head symptoms. There is flickering before eyes. Okay, there is flickering, some colors and some flickering before the eyes. There is redness of eyes with yellow vision, pain deep in orbits. Okay, there is pain deep in orbits. Face, marked redness of the lips, Here there is cracking when chewing. Okay, patient have cracking when chewing, sudden explosion and clashing in left ear, tinkling as if some thin shivered metallic globe in the head. Such sensation you are going to get in ears. Nose, there is coldness of tip, burning in morning on bleeding in morning and awakening. When patient get awakened in morning, at that time there will be bleeding. For such conditions, you are also having remedy like ammonium carb. Okay. Nose are full of crust, mouth taste is bitter and sour, tasteless eructations, okay, and lip cracked and dry, throat thick lump of tough mucus. For such condition you can think about the Kali group, thick lumps of the tough mucus, varicose condition of veins in the pharynx, dry scrappy feeling in the pharynx, stomach aversion to meat, a longing for juicy things. This patient have that longing for juicy things after eating, flatulence, pulsation in rectum and sexual irritations. After eating there is flatulence, pulsation in the rectum and sexual irritation. There is nausea with headache, pain in pit when making a false step. Abdomen pain around the navel, worse on pressure, fullness in a region of liver, pain under the right rib. Abdomen feel full, heavy, hot and bloated, pulsating pain around the navel, weak feeling as if diarrhea would come on. This diarrhea, this patient cannot control their diarrhea. They feel that if I am not going to go in a washroom, I can pass diarrhea, I can pass my stool over here only. Okay, such insecurity is there in them. Okay, they feel that diarrhea would come on. There is great accumulation of platters. There is continuous gaseous accumulation which get pressing downwards, causing distress in the lower bowels, and patient really become insecure that he will pass stool or he will pass this platters only. Okay, gases will pass or stool will pass, he don't know, and he is really insecure about it. Okay, there is sensation of plug between symphysis pubis and coccygeus with urging to stool, colic before and during stool, burning and copious flutters. Okay, rectum, there is constant bearing down in the rectum, bleeding, sore and hot, relieved by cold water. This patient really want to apply cold water in the on the anus. Okay, feeling of weakness as the loss of power of a sphincter anus, sense of insecurity in the rectum when passing flatus, uncertain whether the gas or stool will come. Stool passes without effort. Without any effort, stool will pass almost unnoticed. They will not get noticed that stool has been passed. They are lumpy, watery stool, jelly-like stool with soreness in the rectum after stool. A lot of mucus with pain in rectum after stool. Hemorrhoid protruded like grapes, very sore and tender. Better by cold water application. Burning in anus and rectum. Constipation with heavy pressure in lower part of abdomen, diarrhea from beer, urinary incontinence in aged people, patient aged people or old age people cannot control their urine. There is bearing down sensation and enlarged prostate, scanty and high colored urine. Female, there is bearing down in rectum, worse on standing during menses. Uterus feel heavy, cannot walk much on that account. Labor like pain in loins, extended down to legs. Climacteric hemorrhages, menses too early and too profuse. Hemorrhages, menses, especially during menopausal age group. Okay, the respiratory winter's cough with itching, difficult respiration with stitches from liver to chest, pain in small of back, in a lower part of the back, worse on moving, stitches through the sacrum, lumbago alternating with headache and piles. Lumbago, this is again remedy for your lumbago. Kali carb is also remedy for a lumbago. Okay, extremities, lameness in all limb, drawing pain in the joints, soles, pains when walking. Modalities, it get worse in early in morning, summer, heat, in hot, dry weather, after eating or drinking. It get better from cold and open air. So this is all about allosocotina.